In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create mockups in Canva. We'll walk through the whole process together, step by step. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to place your design onto a realistic product mockup, like a mug. Go ahead and open your Canva project in the editor so we're looking at the same layout. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar. This is where all of your tools and assets live. Look for the option labeled Elements and click on it. When you do, the Elements panel will open, showing you shapes, graphics, photos, and more. Inside this panel, scroll or look for the category called Mockups. Click on Mockups to open it. Now you'll see a range of mockup options. At the top, there's a search bar. This is really helpful for narrowing things down. Type in the kind of mockup you want to use. For example, you can type mug if you want to place your design on a mug. Canva will then show you different mug mockup styles. Take a moment to browse through them and choose one that fits your brand or design. Once you've found one you like, simply click on it. Canva will automatically add that mockup to your canvas in the main editing area. Next, let's place your design onto the mockup. You can either use a Canva photo or your own uploaded design. We'll start with a Canva photo. To do that, click the back arrow at the top of the Elements panel to go back to the main toolbar on the left. This time, select Photos. You'll see another search bar at the top. Type in a keyword that matches the look or style you want. When you find a photo you like, click and drag it over your mockup on the canvas. As you hover over the mockup area, you'll see it highlight. Drop the photo there, then wait a moment for Canva to apply it. You should now see the design automatically wrap onto the mug mockup. If you want to use your own design instead, look back to the left-hand toolbar and click Uploads. If you've already uploaded your design, you'll see it in this panel. Just drag and drop it onto the mockup the same way you did with the photo. If you haven't uploaded it yet, click Upload Files, choose the file from your computer, wait for it to finish uploading, and then drag it onto the mockup. Once your design is placed, you've successfully created a mockup in Canva, and that's it.